The doors, Kwame Sudma, Masim, Yamini Menu, the Maswatsam and Caddy Abbey. Chere, my men came a powerful. I like the actual shaky. Now I shouldn't the dog food be at all, no, so missing is a wood. Make I maybe I, maybe I, Mammy Party, no, so baby, and the Johnny don't cry, so much, so quite party, to me crying him, to me die, a bonus, o compare Bumaya Kaili, the spirit that do Yana, the spirit that do Yana. Into my church, you will be called Fisa won't go on immediate, Mammy will be around, no one said. Fisa won't go on immediate, won't go on immediate, Mammy will be around, no one said. About I'm finding in the man and back, mine crying a better myself like you do. Tried my best, but I still lost you. Shame who didn't send a yamis. That's why she might come at Diana, she might come at. Make us a mix, no, so I could be mama. Okay, I chew when I'm a fool, mama. And I'm meaning say, I'll to make us. Until we jam a hook with CC, I may a day. Menu I get to a musu be the day. My sheshe sama, my come and I say. I name a coach, you must say. A guy, maybe I, maybe I. Mammy, party, no, so baby. And the guy to buy, so much, so quite party, to me, cry him. To me, die, a bonus, o compare Bumaya Kaili, the spirit that do Yana. The spirit I do Yana. Into my church, you will be called Fisa won't go on immediate, Mammy will be around, no one said. Fisa won't go on immediate, won't go on immediate, Mammy will be around, no one said.
Yo, my people, you welcome. This is MS Live. I have my next guest in the studio, and the conversation is going to be crazy because the energy be too much for the studio right now. And I have my brother here with me. He goes by the name Holyrina. Charlie, when you wait a fire, because message net carrying a substance net carrying. It's very relatable. Yeah. I can relate to the message. Yeah. Bro, Bibi Aboko there.
Bibi Aboko, problem child is in the building, yeah.
Charlie, problem child is in the building.
Yeah, man.
You think you cause problems?
You know, I know they cause problem, but the sound and how I did, that be how people they name me, and they see I be problem, like independence boy, driving hard, like you be problem.
Pushing the sound. So it be the music which they cause the havoc and problems. Should I say
not
that
only
way?
the music, I grew up in a hood, Pokwase, Zongo.
Okay.
And we did a lot of bad stuff, so you know a problem, no. Yeah, so the problem child is back from the street. When I used to freestyle, when we used to do lungu to eat, you understand now, you really understand.
Okay. Nice. So how long have you been doing music? Professionally?
Professionally, 3 years, because I completed school, is it 2022 or 2023? Yeah. Professionally, okay, let's say 2 years.
2 years professionally. And growing up in Pokwase, how has it impacted in your personal life and your career?
It has helped me a lot, because I really see Shaggy. You know Shaggy?
Shaggy.
You say them.
You have been through a lot.
Yeah. Okay. So I grew up in I don't know how they call them, trenches. Okay. On a low background. Okay. With my mommy, they sell kinky.
Oh, that means you street guy.
I mean, it's me got tough fish, but now see you on the sun if I'm a honey now.
Charlie.
I suffer no be easy, So today, if I look fly, Charlie.
Munja when looky fly.
Munja me, my bread.
What's that man? So me tell my boy. But me come on for be bring Jimmy. Maybe free 1 kakra and free 2 kakra. And about 25 kakra. Charlie me. Mr. Charlie. Mr. Meka, boys in Tiasia, but I'm a deep guy, Charlie, from the trenches. So me, I understand where you they come from.
Back to the story.
Yeah, back to the story.
So, back in Pokwase, the mommy they sell kinky. and I won't say, oh, yeah, Jahu Juma. Until now, we see, a handcuff for so that near to free her, near Koha, like the landlords, because of Jahu Juma, and one and I say, but I'm movie around, because no be am person who see no ne, you bar kink, some kind of way, and I won't say the low background people. People don't really they like we like that. You but we hear near Mondo, what's I say? So that be when, as he say, cause baby and I done not in few twice, so never a friend saying, silly,
hey,
yeah, this be real talk. I did next son never like silly in the munti. I thought one day I did the way I stand the window in what way I did think about myself. See, so this age I did and the lyrics I go feel right. Not that good, but I go try and do something. But that time
when you're saying, how old were you?
At that time I was like 16.
16?
Yeah.
You were going through all this?
I swear, I was going through a whole lot. Nina, I miss our school. Until me free school, Baba supported me, mommy with fear because she was all alone. And I know when you so, and yes, when you, but like,
okay, you it's not school band and now call.
I went to a dance senior high.
Yeah. Okay.
So
now they come. Where you be board or day student?
Then I be hosteler, say.
Okay.
As I do the school, they don't pick me.
Charlie.
So I will do self-placement.
Okay, no problem, my brother. It be all part of the journey. I swear. But one thing is that I know say the music, or your project, it be tribute to your mom. My condolences, Charlie. Yeah. It be sad moments, but still man for celebrate, still man for move on. It's part of life. I know how you're feeling. Yeah. I don't want to remind you of what you're going through, but MS24, condolences to you, to your family. Do you have any younger siblings and stuff?
This be deep. Ask me them mommy then we be three. And our adopting call for then as I can. Okay. I don't show money now. Well, and it's in a mommy free fee, But like as she died, I have 2 siblings on my back.
Charlie.
We have for watch. That be why they try hard. So right now, if you see I drop tape, I do plenty things. They mean say me pay car. My swear shit. Cause my kiddie boy they go rice bees and probably were friend. I say me school more now. So 1 or 2 sorts and I mean choose school cinema like how they go through a whole.
That means Charlie, I'm not money up by force.
The first I used to be calm.
Okay.
But I wanted to show them no, I'll be problem. I'll be big problem, yeah.
Okay. So when baby Holyrina, the person like getting into projects jama.
Okay.
How many songs now projects in so?
5 songs.
5 songs.
Yeah.
Can you walk us through the creative process making this special EP, which is a tribute to your mom?
The whole thing they bust my mind. So before my mommy go even sick, I was planning to drop a tape.
Okay.
But like a whole different songs. So as she can't say call we she go to the hospital and things. Then I go through a lot. I don't even touch mic. So the day she like Dana or free because that was the first time I saw my mom like on a floor. Once they be no boy juma then they share. Me who say why I put that. It's the first day now me who say why I like I was crying. You get me? So the whole EP or something that they do for one. Anywhere she did, she go be proud. You get me? Back to the question. I know get them again.
Okay. I say I want you to. I know it's a tribute to your mom, but can you walk us through the creative process? How I know? Yeah. How long did it take you to put it out?
Okay. Once again, big love to you, my kid.
Okay.
Shout out to you, my kid. So, as my mommy died 2 days after, where in my kid come house, where they play some beat. You now my SO for we stay in one house and we have a small studio. It's but and I know nyaneme. By the time my mommy they saw kinky, anytime she go bed or that bed also or bobo no ye bibia no decision so no akoda 3 no aka say about 6 nyaneme.
Okay.
So as you my cake can wait tell me
from
you boy nyaneme. And I said 1 or 2 stories about her like strengths now they dimechi on and no shaming crying cause I grew up with 1 parent, a single parent, so I do everything with her. You see. Okay. And so with the second song, Bad Substance.
Okay.
Bad Substance is like you being addicted to something. that you can't stop.
So are you addicted to something?
Oh, I'm not going to say I'm here though.
But you are
But
addicted
the
to
people
something.
they know, I'm addicted to music.
Hey.
But this one, it be bad substance, you have.
Holyrina.
Yeah, Moku no go to the bad substance side, but the people they understand.
Okay. But when him say, on call for ni be omo ya nyoma, omo preach about drugs. Too much.
Yeah.
Oh, omo preach about. Me person me body. Artists now omo nyoma omo. Omo preach about drugs. Yeah. To you, do you see it to be a good thing as an artist? Because when a youth ni follow mo, omo vibe to music, omo jam to music. But omo ya nyoma na omo talking about drugs. Charlie, don't you think it's influenced them to follow that path?
I feel say, firstly, it's not good to promote it.
Okay.
But sometimes if the pain that you go through, they want to be real on a beat. They don't want to lie. Go about the bush. Yeah. They just want to be real, like when I'm here. Yeah. So if you go love me for this, sentiment here, love me like that. So we have that people. Once they were gospel artists. Yeah. Where the time I'm on me sick, you know the way I listen to Esther Smith. That's when I know say Esther Smith, you know me there. What I say. Okay. So we get different. We get the people for the ghetto where they be addicted to something, but they want to stop. So the bad substance is about people being addicted to like something bad that they want to stop bad, but they can't stop because they're addicted. You get me?
That means those people, they need a therapy.
It be time. All right. With music go fi hear them too. Make them go listen to Jama.
All right. So who produced and mastered the songs on the project?
Imaki did everything.
Did everything.
Mix, master, everything. Like he's my brother. All right. He's my everything. Like I appreciate him.
So how has the reception been like after dropping the project?
I get plenty co-signs.
Okay.
I get plenty co-signs, but some I go keep on the low.
Okay.
But what's the boss my mind be say early this morning before I go come here, I test Peter for long for me.
Yeah, okay.
So this morning he writes me Rina. I was fucking happy.
Charlie, then I was say when you feature from Famio.
What's I say? All for happen. Where I've had co-sign from J Bad. He's been supporting me from time to time. And I have a song, Asem. I think you don't know about Asem.
Asem,
I dropped it. Me drop it at Chekaka. Me drop it and within some 2 weeks, and I Shatawali co-sign it.
Hey! Yeah. Challenge co-sign I know then because from J-Bad, from Family Peter, and Shatawali.
Omar Sterling said bring me on a phone.
Omar Sterling?
Yeah, I DM'd him and he was like, let me give him my number. He will call me. So me, I think say no go happen. One day I did there where you call. I did enough for me. I was like, who's this? I did enough for me. Was like, Omar. I was fucking happy, yo. Omar, anyway, they appreciate you.
Holyrina, we don't curse on this show.
I swear.
Okay, Holyrina, where can we reach you on social media?
You say
social media.
Oh, baby, I'll be to me now. Holyrina __ HOLYRINA. Holyrina everywhere.
Charlie, and sorry for your loss. But say why when you tattoo amount mommy, I'll pay tribute to Charlie.
Therefore, see
condolences to your family. And Charlie, those people giving you the co-sign from Peter, which is family, Omar Sterling, Shatawale, Charlie, we really appreciate all of them. Nice having you on the show. What's your last words to your fans?
Okay.
I beg this be your camera.
Okay. This is my camera.
What be your last words to your fans?
My last words to my fans be make them go stream the Jama tape, especially Nyaneme. First tribute to my mom, and wherever my mom is, mommy, I love you so much. Although you are in the grave, I still love you. R.I.P. to you. I don't know what I go say. And anyone out there, if you be street boy, you be whatever. Cherish your mom when she's alive. You get me? Cherish her. Loves you guys.
Yeah, bro. Our condolences to my brother Holyrina for his loss. Guys, you tuned into MS34 TV. This is MS Live. This is the biggest show in the continent right now. You can follow us on social, MS34GH, #MS Live. You can follow me as well, Mac_Moulton. Love conquers all. Catch you same time, same place. Peace. I'm out.